Thinking about starting a business structure in Georgia? Let's get right into it. Setting up an LLC can protect your personal assets, like your home and car, from business liabilities if you follow the proper steps. Today, I'll walk you through 5 key stages to establish your LLC smoothly, with some insider tips to save costs and handle post-launch essentials effectively. First, selecting the right business name is crucial. This isn't just about branding. Improper naming can lead to rejection by state authorities. Make sure your chosen name includes phrases like limited liability company or its abbreviations. LLC, LC Co, or Lautadati are acceptable. Avoid names that imply government agency status or require special licensing, such as banks or insurance firms. The name must be unique across Georgia's records, so don't pick something already in use or too similar. The name limit is 80 characters, including spaces and punctuation. You can easily check availability on Georgia's official business portal. Just keep in mind their search tool isn't perfect for confirming name uniqueness. Once verified, securing the web domain early is a smart move, even if you're not ready to build the site yet. Next, your LLC needs a registered agent. This individual or company handles official documents, like legal notices or government communications. The agent must have a physical address in Georgia and be available during business hours. While you can serve as your own agent, privacy concerns often lead entrepreneurs to opt for third-party services. For about $10 a month, a provider like FilingFox can safeguard your personal information by acting as your agent. We've secured a deal for a free year of this service through FilingFox, so using that link makes this step even more budget-friendly. Then, you'll need to file Articles of Organization. This form provides key info, your LLC's name, registered agent's details, and how your company will operate, managed by members or managers. You can file online, by mail, or in person. Filing electronically through Georgia's online portal is fastest. Processing takes roughly a week. Mail and hand deliveries may take up to 15 days. To file, create an account via their system, select Create a Business, then choose Domestic LLC, and follow the prompts. The fee is $100 online or $110 by mail. If your LLC originated in another state but plans to do business in Georgia, you'll need to file a foreign LLC registration, Form CD-241, which costs $225. Once your LLC is approved, creating an operating agreement is strongly advised, even if it's not mandated here. This internal document helps prevent misunderstandings among owners by clarifying ownership percentages, decision-making processes, profit sharing, and operational procedures. Many banks request an operating agreement when opening business accounts, and it's useful when applying for loans. A free template is available on our site to get you started. Finally, obtaining an EIN, Employer Identification Number, is essential. This is a federal tax ID number issued at no cost by the IRS. You'll need it for opening bank accounts, handling taxes, and hiring staff. The application process is quick and straightforward. Visit the IRS website to get your number, often instantly. Post-formation, remember to keep up with annual Georgia filings. The state charges $50 for online registration, $60 in paper form. Filing is straightforward through the Georgia portal. Failing to file annually or mixing personal and business assets can jeopardize your LLC's liability shield. To avoid that, open dedicated bank accounts and consider hiring an accountant to manage your finances. Building business credit and securing proper insurance are also wise steps. Services like FilingFox can simplify these tasks for you, freeing up your time to focus on growth. And that's the essential rundown on forming an LLC in Georgia. All links and resources mentioned are below. If this sparked questions, explore our channel and website for more guides, free templates, and tips. For personalized assistance, remember you can connect with FilingFox at info@filingfox.com. Saving time and avoiding costly mistakes is easier when you leverage the right tools, so start smart and watch your business grow.